Hi everyone, welcome to the farm. These are our healthy pigs, raised right here in our climate-controlled barns for that premium sausage you love.
Carcass 72, primary cuts complete.
Acknowledged. Initiating sterilization sequence on arm 4.
Impurity detected on line 3.
Acknowledged. Diverting the batch now.
Check the jacket pressure, making sure it stays consistent.
Looks stable. The mix is almost ready for transfer.
The mixture appears smooth. Check the viscosity against the target.
Tablet shows we are within tolerance. The blades are performing efficiently.
The temperature on line 3 is holding steady at 28.
Noted. The consistency looks perfect for the sausage run.
The flow rate looks good on the lower mesh.
Agreed. No inconsistencies on the readout either. The flow rate looks perfectly calibrated.
Yes, the coverage is excellent across the batch. The folding action looks precise. Are the spices fully integrated now?
Yes, the blend is homogeneous. I've logged the timestamp.
The temperature on line 3 is holding steady. Good, let's keep the flow rate consistent. The flow rate is stabilizing at 200 kilos per minute.
Acknowledged. We are within tolerance.
Flow rate looks consistent.
Uniformity confirmed. We are good to go.
Looks good. Parameters are stable.
Ready for casing sequence.
Pressure on line 3 is slightly
Compensating the flow rate now. It's stable.
The flow rate looks consistent across all 5 lines.
Yes, the pressure stabilizers are working perfectly since the upgrade.
Look at the temperature on this readout. It's almost at the target.
Confirmed. The next batch is clear for processing.
The structural integrity is holding up well under stress.
Data confirms optimal emulsification. Let's proceed with the thermal processing phase.
The pressure on manifold 4 is fluctuating slightly.
I see it. Adjusting the flow rate now should stabilize.
The alignment on gate 4 seems off. Are you seeing the same deviation?
Yes, calibrating now. The measurement stabilized after the adjustment.
Check the alignment on that row there.
Looks good, moving smoothly into the wrapper. The flow rate seems consistent with the schedule.
Yes, we are hitting the targets perfectly.
Casing integrity confirmed at this checkpoint.
Noted. Temperature stable.
Set the core temperature to 165 degrees Fahrenheit.
Confirmed. Cycle time, 30 minutes.
Check the color uniformity on rack 3.
Looks consistent with the previous batch.
Noted. Check the humidity levels on gauge 4.
Confirmed. Levels are stable.
There's a slight fluctuation on the density sensor at the 45-degree mark.
Noted. I'm increasing the airflow by 10% to compensate.
Excellent. The curve is normalizing.
It's hitting the 4B reference right here.
Consistent with the swatch.
Good.
The mahogany is hitting perfectly now.
Yes, the vector scope confirms it's within the ACES gamut.
The throughput on loader 4 is down by 10% this hour.
Yeah, I see that. Check the alignment on the gripper. The throughput on the new line is exceeding projections by 15%.
That explains the decreased downtime we've seen this quarter.
5.000 kilograms.
Sorry, wait. Voice recorded.
The throughput is steady at 98%.
Good, the seals look clean on this batch.
Check the wrapping right here. Make sure it holds.
Looks secure. I've logged the temperature. Clear for loading.
The sausages are just about done. We can eat in 5 minutes.
Look at this masterpiece I made. All right, bring it over here. Let's get it on the fire.
I'll get the next round ready.
Thanks for coming over. We're so glad you enjoyed the sausage. Bye, everyone. See you soon.